Special intensive revision. This is the last day of today, and it means that the BLOs are working continuously throughout day. And today, which we can see and understand that in Hazratganj area, where all five BLOs are working together, and they just want to fill a form right here because many people, many voters who have not applied till today are now continuously coming here to fill the form. But surprisingly, it has seen that the many voters who have been shifted from this ward are not available in this time. And another part of this SIR, which we can understand that most of the people in this ward who have been shifted and unidentified also have been found here. It means that many people who are unidentified also recovered here. It means that if a BLO carrying a 1000 people here, even of 500 forms only have been filled through this SIR process. It means that more than 200 people who are unidentified and more than 200 people who have been shifted. So this kind of conditions today, because this is a day where the last day of the SIR form process is being done and by the BLOs, and the BLOs which you can see through this visual that they are just continuously doing this work here and filling a form by themselves. I'm asking some BLOs that आप बताइए क्या नाम है आपका?
मेरा नाम बीना सिंह है।
आप अब लास्ट में ये फॉर्म भर रही हैं, कितना आपके ऊपर अभी लग रहा है कि एक प्रेशर की तरह है कि भर जाएगा, और कितना
क्यों नहीं, हम लोग यही चाहते हैं कि सबके फॉर्म भरे जाएं। और हम लोगों का कायदे से अगर देखा जाए तो 750-800 लगभग हो गया है, शिफ्टेड डेथ वगैरह दिखा करके इतना हम लोगों का हो गया, और फॉर्म आते ही जा रहे हैं। लास्ट डेट पता होने के बाद भी लोग रुक नहीं रहे हैं फॉर्म भरने के लिए।
कितने बजे तक आप लोग इसको फिल करें?
और 5:30 कभी कभी अगर लोग आ जाते तो 6 भी बज जाता है, अंधेरा भी हो जाता है, तो दिखाई भी नहीं देता है। हम लोगों ने लाइट भी लगवाई, व्यवस्था की है लाइट की। तो
आप लोगों ने काम किया है इसमें?
घर में तो 2-2:30 बज जाता है रात का, जो कि करने में।
जाके फॉर्म क्या करते हैं इसको?
अब जैसे अब यहाँ सीरियल बिगड़ जाता है, लोग आ रहे हैं, देख रहे हैं, मिलान कर रहे हैं, फिर हमको जा करके फिर वहाँ सीरियल से लगाना पड़ता है।
आपके पास अगर अमूमन 1000 फॉर्म है तो उसमें अनआइडेंटिफाइड कितना होगा जो कि आपको पता ही नहीं चला कहाँ गया?
लगभग 100-150 समथिंग।
और जो शिफ्टेड हो गया वो लगभग?
शिफ्टेड हाँ ऐसे ही लगभग ये भी होगा 150-200। जी जी।
और बाकी डेथ
और absent किसी के घर।
So these BLOs who are working here in school, and that time they are just getting information. For those who are not coming here, even they are just informing everyone right here about this SIR form. Even they are just providing. Surprisingly, it has seen that many people who can't be identified in this process, because more than 200 people which could be seen in this process. It means that many people who are not present at this moment, but the BLOs are trying to connect with the people here and want to complete this process as soon as possible as the last date of today. With camera person Sandeep Dubey, Ashish Srivastava, India Today, Lucknow.